Welcome back, everyone. I recently came across a brand new YouTube channel that exploded with views in only a matter of days, and believe me, the reason behind it is pretty unexpected. This creator is using a completely different content approach, fresh ideas, original concepts, and something you rarely come across on YouTube these days. Instead of making standard videos, they're producing animated content built around vegetables, food items, and everyday objects, and the growth has been incredible. Now here's what makes it even more interesting. The videos look extremely polished and professional, almost as if they were created using premium AI software or backed by a full creative team. But in reality, I don't think that's what's happening. Because the truth is, this style of content can actually be created very easily, without showing your face, without spending any money, and without investing endless hours of work. Yes, completely free. And what makes it even better is that you don't need advanced skills, professional editing knowledge, or any complicated process. With a simple concept, the right prompts, and a few free AI tools, you can start creating immediately. In today's video, I'm going to explain the entire process. We'll look at how this channel gained traction, the method behind its growth, and how you can apply a similar approach to build your own viral content. I'll also walk you through the exact prompts, tools, and workflow so you can begin today, even if you're starting with zero experience. To make things easier, I created a powerful master prompt and included it in the description below. All you need to do is copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do, the system helps generate the content structure for you automatically. I spent a lot of time developing and improving this prompt, so you don't have to figure everything out yourself. I tested different versions, adjusted small details, and optimized it specifically for creating YouTube shorts with strong viral potential. This isn't just another basic prompt. It works more like a complete framework. It's designed to give you quality ideas, ready-to-use scripts, and well-organized content inspired by the same type of format used by the viral channel I showed earlier. That means you don't need to stress over ideas, struggle with getting started, or wonder how to make content engaging. Just copy, paste, and allow ChatGPT to handle most of the heavy lifting. And there's another advantage. You can reuse this process again and again to create an unlimited number of content ideas. Every time you run it, you'll receive fresh concepts and new outputs that are ready to develop into videos. No experience needed, no special skills required, no budget necessary. This is ideal for beginners, students, or anyone interested in launching a faceless YouTube channel quickly. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, this approach could make a real difference, but only if you actually put it into action. So don't finish this video and move on. Open the description, copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and start building your first video today. Now it's time to create your AI images. And I know many people are tired of paying for image generation platforms or expensive AI subscriptions, but here's the good news. You don't have to spend anything. Today, I'm going to show you a free method using Flow AI. Flow AI is a useful platform that lets you create high-quality images without any cost. No watermarks, no long queues, no hidden limitations. You don't need a difficult setup either. Just open the Flow AI website, take the prompts from earlier, and paste them into the platform. That's all. Your images will begin generating almost immediately. No prior experience required, no complicated learning process. Everything is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. And one of the biggest advantages is that you can keep generating images as much as you want. Copy each prompt, paste it one by one into Flow AI, and continue building. Test different ideas, experiment with variations, and create a full library of content in a short amount of time. This is how many fast-growing channels keep producing content efficiently. They aren't necessarily spending huge amounts of money. They're using tools strategically. So don't overcomplicate the process. Open Flow AI, insert your prompts, and start generating your visuals. Once your images are finished, we'll move into the next stage and turn them into videos. Let's continue. Now, head over to AI Studio by Tencent. You'll find the link in the description, so no need to search for it. This platform is genuinely impressive, and one of the best parts is that it's available for free. I'll show you everything step by step. First, sign in with your Gmail account. The process is quick and straightforward. After entering the platform, open the Video section and choose AI Video. You'll notice several models available for both image and video generation, but for this tutorial, we'll use Hunyan 1.5 because it's free and performs really well. Making videos here is simple. Paste your prompt, upload your image, and press Generate. That's it. Most of the time, it takes around a minute before the system starts creating your video. When processing finishes, your result is ready, and the output quality is surprisingly good. You won't need additional upscaling software or extra editing tools. Everything is already included inside the platform. From there, repeat the same process. Copy the next prompt, upload another image, and generate again. You can build multiple videos without much effort. If you run into an error after creating several videos, don't panic. Just switch to another Gmail account and continue. Simple. At this point, everything is already available. Prompts, free. AI images, free. Video generation, free. It becomes a complete toolkit for content creation. You can use it to launch a faceless YouTube channel, produce short-form videos, and even expand into a larger content business. So don't wait too long. Start creating and put the process into action. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI content and creative strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.